We are building a case for my friend Ben today. We're taking his old stuff out and upgrading it. We're keeping some stuff in here, but we're gonna have a rock and rollin' time building it. This is my friend Ben.
Nope. This is where I come back in.
Mm-hmm. This is his cool computer. We have a 12-core 3900X Ryzen 9. We have a 2080 Super, and then we have upgrading his obviously his cooler for this new CPU. He's going from Intel to AMD. We have a 970 Evo, 32 gigs of DDR4 RAM, and his Asus Prime X570p motherboard. All right, guys, roll that montage.
got
There you go.
power.
And he likes the noise. He doesn't mind the noise. How's the air to flow with that other blue fan there now? Is it way crazy now?
It's much higher than before.
Oh, it is?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
I can definitely feel it.
Oh, yeah. Much higher. Look at it, feel it sucking. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah, that's awesome. So that's awesome, then. It's ready. And the fans for the graphics card are... Yep. And then they're down now, because it's already booted. That means it's posted. So you're good!
Cool.
So then tomorrow we'll finish all the, come over and we'll do all the Steam and the Origin, the Uplay, and then all the coding and the Office and all that goody fun stuff.
Okay. Yeah. Oh yeah. If at any point you want to start without me, just go right ahead.
Oh, I might start the installation too when you're gone or something like that. And then I'll wait for the stuff I might need help on. It just depends on how I feel. Kind of getting a little tired. I want to relax a little bit, and then I'll probably come back to it later. Yeah.
Completely understand.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But it looks nice.
Cool. I will toss this because I don't need this anymore. And
If you want then to make it even easier, I already have a mouse and keyboard, so if you just want to take your mouse and keyboard with you,
sure. Yeah.
I don't need that. It's just extra stuff. You don't have to worry about hauling when you come take it.
Yeah.
Only thing, leave the monitor, just you know.
Yeah, I'll leave the HDMI cable, the Wi-Fi stuff, and then.
Oh, the Wi-Fi. So you brought that too? Okay, good.
Yeah, I brought everything. He's going to test anything.
Excellent.
Can I turn it back on? Okay.
What?
Can I turn it back on?
Yeah. Oh wait. Okay. Thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Sorry, busy. I was zoning out. I worked today too, so I'm doing this after. Have a rock and rolling day.